So पैसे से आएगा. So with he thinks he will get all the pleasure from money, sex, joy, outside, hmm, the relationship, ideal way. I have money, people will follow. The ideal way. I will get an ideal friends. So what happens in that he? What is the child theme? But floor theme is what? I don't want to work. Flooricums don't want to work. They want money and luxury and they want superficial relation everything, but they don't want to work. Ammonium what will do? He has grudges against everything. So how will he earn? By investing in lottery, in some other
चिट
what we
फंड
call
कंपनी,
uh,
चिट फंड,
क्या बोल gambling. By
गैम्बलिंग
gambling,
गैम्बलिंग.
gambling. So he tries to earn money by gambling and everything. Huh? By money he wants relationship and everything. What happens in the end? Even he realize that even money cannot give what you expect. Ideally, again resentment, again grudges. Huh? And the same one more thing in comes is he, by gambling he tries to earn, but some money which he has earned, sometimes he may also
Lose.
those money in gambling. Hence again resentment, grudges, etc., etc. Now floor theorem is also in floor also he did not get anything. Then comes Brom, where there is guilt. सबसे अलग हो गया, आइसोलेटेड हो गया, मन में सोचता है शायद मेरे में ही तो कुछ गलती नहीं है, मैं आइसोलेटेड हो गया हूँ, अलग हो गया हूँ, किसी से मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला, तो गिल्ट फीलिंग आती है. So guilt feeling of ammonium, ideal ammonium having guilt feeling is bromium. So ammonium brom comes there. So, huh. Then one or two we in between forgot, that is ammonium picricum. Ammonium picricum comes when he is completely exhausted, brain fade. When there is disappointment either from father, mother, from friends, from a partner. At last he is exhausted. We have seen in all the themes of ammonium, with phosphorus, sulfur, he is exhausted. Exhausted, he reserved, don't speak with anybody but goes on thinking inside mind. So what comes? Brain fade. Brain is tired. Little thinking and he gets starting headache. Little reading, he starts getting headache. That is the peak of ammonium picricum, theme of ammonium picricum comes. Idealism with brain fade is ammonium picricum. Then we have a drug. Ammonium nitricum is also one of the drugs. No? Is there ammonium nitricum? It's not.
नाइट्रेट.
Ammonium nitrate is there.
Yeah.
Where he wants idea space. He sees that he don't have space to work the way he want. Ideally. So desire for space. मेरे पास प्लान तो बहुत है, दिमाग में सब बिठा के रखा है, मगर स्पेस नहीं है, वो जगह नहीं है जिधर भारत में मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. भारत के तो सब लोग ऐसे हैं वैसे हैं, मुझे फ्री माइंडेड लोग चाहिए, यूरोप चाहिए, जो यहाँ नहीं मिल रहा है. दैट इज एमोनियम नाइट्रिकम. नाउ एमोनियम बेंजोइट, देयर इज नॉट एमोनियम बेंजोइट में मेरे पास कोई थीम तो नहीं है, मगर बेंजीन का एक ये है कि यूरिन, किडनी अफेक्शन एंड यूरिन लाइक हॉर्स, स्मेलिंग ऑफ यूरिन लाइक हॉर्स. With ammonium symptoms, if you have kidney affection and urine smelling like horse, you can try ammonium benz. Then ammonium with iodine. The name is ammonium jod, where I have not written theme or I have not derived theme, but we can come to a theme. Iodine मतलब क्या? एक तो emaciation जो ammonium में भी है, it's more than also emaciated. Glands enlarged ammonium में भी है. Warm, extremely warm, that is iodine. आयोडीन का थीम क्या है कि ही फील्स एज इफ ही हैज लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग, मनी एंड एवरीथिंग इन वॉर, फेमिनाइन एक्सेट्रा, एंड वांट्स टू वर्क हार्ड एंड अचीव द सेम अगेन. सो इन अमोनिया व्हाट ही फील्स इज because feeling a guilt, we may say that maybe because of my idealism I have lost everything, I want to regain it. So I have to work hard. Again he starts working hard, but again ideally he wants to work ideally also, ideally, and again he gets a disappointment and